In the era of the fourth industrial revolution, many workers are being surrounded by various types of industrial vehicles at their work sites. Everybody wants to work safely, but accidents, injuries, and casualties may happen at any time, at anywhere, due to the lack of driver's vision. You cannot depend on a single driver's instinct to secure the sights every time.
Danger. Danger.
IVIEW Plus is a backup awareness system for forklift trucks. With integrated sensor intelligence, IVIEW Plus is an ideal solution by means of avoiding collisions at distribution centers and manufacturing sites. IVIEW Plus adapts the deep learning-based algorithm to detect pedestrians only and alerts drivers to prevent any possible collision. This will definitely minimize false nuisance alerts. Deep learning algorithms learn progressively more about the image as it goes through. This deep learning capability enables IVIEW Plus to detect various portraits of working pedestrians. Meanwhile, simple and intuitive user interface provides usability and flexibility to drivers. IVIEW Plus also offers the split screens and reverse gear detection options for further usability. IVIEW Plus can be utilized on many different types of industrial vehicles and can be mounted on any location. Under the brand name of Kijis, IVIEW Plus is manufactured by Kawu Sistek, based on more than 20 years of experience in developing construction equipment and industrial safety solutions. IVIEW Plus.